Let me know what you got going on here, man.
It's a 1966 GMC, but the motor and transmission is a 96 Lincoln Town Car. Got 223,000 miles, but purrs like a kitten. The steering is actually a 60s model Chevy Impala. My shifter is a breaker bar with a grenade.
That's hot.
I got a digital dash. The gas used to be behind the seat. I had to move it because under here is all speakers. It's all cut through and ported, so all the sound is pushing into the cab. Back here is a World War II trunk, Vietnam ammo cans and Kevlar, some 105 artillery shells. This used to be the top of a vehicle, an old luggage rack. We turned it into a World War II tank turret. The gas is actually right here now. What I'm doing is I'm cutting this, the gas is going to run up, and I'll be filling up the little can.
How long you had this car?
Going on 6 years. This actually is a Nerf gun, even though nobody knows that. It's a Nerf gun, and I super glued 5.56 rounds on the inside, make it look like it's feeding into it. This old gas mask. And then even though it's got the shark theme, what a lot of people don't actually notice is the shark fin on the top.
So what made you want to work on this project?
I retired out of the Army, 22 years in the Army. I retired in 2017. I've been doing the military theme ever since, and just tinkering with it, taking it around the car shows.
Do you ever get stopped?
I've been
By the boys in
one time I got stopped when I first finished the World War II tank part. I got stopped in Bryan County, and the cop tried to tell me it was illegal. But after a long conversation with him, he realized it's not illegal. So, and then he let me go. So, yeah, he was new, fresh out the academy, and didn't understand that there's nothing illegal about it. So,
Okay.
yeah. But ever since then, I've had no issues. Most of them wave at me. I did get pulled over one time, but not for anything illegal. They just wanted to look at the truck.
Of course.
Yeah.
So what year, make, and model?
The truck's a 1966 GMC truck. Had it for going on 5.5, 6 years now. Just been tinkering with it and taking it around the car shows.
It's your first project?
This is actually my second project. The first one I started, got halfway into it, didn't like it, sold it, and then started on this one, and I've had this one ever since.
Similar to this, or was it?
It was a totally different truck. Yeah. Totally different. This is my actual first project that I've actually bought and just stayed with it. Until what did you see now?
So when you pull up in your neighborhood,
well, everybody knows me in the neighborhood, so everybody waves when they hear me coming because the music is loud.
okay.
I can turn it on and let you hear the music if you want to hear the music. And like I said here, let me pop this over for you. Walk around. You crank it up one push of a button. I ain't even got to get in it to crank it. I made the key. Looks like you're driving with a screwdriver. I melted it into the screwdriver. Push a button.
You don't mind me asking, how much have you invested into the car?
Oh Lord. I would say about 10,000 right now.
Okay.
You go give or take a little bit.
That's not bad for the look.
Oh no. I had some guy a couple car shows ago. He said, "Is it for sale?" I said, "Well, not really, but for the right amount of money." I said, "We'll talk." He said, "I'll give you $3,000. I said, "Are you trying to buy the tires and rims?" I said, "That's about all you're gonna get."
I know that's right.
But I've had a good time building it.
Like you said, it do purr like a kitten.
Oh yeah. I mean, it's running out, but you don't even really hear it.
Exactly.